Nothing beats the natural atmosphere of a beautiful environment. We went down the biggest waterfall, which is so beautiful with amazing, beautiful views. And though it's a little bit scary going down there, we chose to have this breathtaking moment. Come with us, let us show you around. We hope you are going to love the view of this waterfall. So this is the starting point. We have an entrance there, and as you can see, there are so many people who come here daily to view, and I think you should also come and view. Up there is a hotel, a very big hotel called Panari Hotel. And from here you can see the beautiful waterfall falling from a very high area down. When it gets down, it flows as a big river. There's people to entertain you like this Maasai, so you will enjoy every single moment. We are given a warning. They are wild animals, but that doesn't hinder people from going down the fall. So you can see we are having people coming and others are going down to the lowest point of the fall. It's a good place to go with family, though it's tiresome because coming up it's a bit challenging, but there are stairs that are going to take you up to where the fall is. From here you are able to view the beautiful area. Come here with their kids. It's a very good area to bring your kids, and it's very memorable for kids. So this is also a play area for kids, and there is a very big hotel for refreshment, and if you also want to stay there for a vacation. There are so many entertainment and kids playing items. Like we decided to enjoy the boat. And by the way, if you have an event, you can also do it in this field. Probably you have a wedding or any other event. How beautiful it is, the green area, so beautiful, so breathtaking. There are also so many more entertainment and beautiful views in this area. Please make arrangements to come here. We also have these people who are entertaining others with traditional dances, traditional dresses. You can also put on these traditional clothes and take photos. Just see the foil. So every item there has a meaning, from what they are holding, the dresses. These are some of the dancers who you can dance with. They can dance for you, but they charge a retro fee. Also, for you to put on those clothes, they charge a retro fee. This is the dressing area. So we have people being dressed in the traditional outfits. They also decided to put on these traditional African dresses. Please wait and see the end product and tell me how we look in the comment section. Don't we look good? Please let us know in the comment section if we look good and what you think about the traditional wearing. We also put on the beads. They add to the beauty of an African lady. They each have a meaning, which I don't know. Maybe if you know the meaning, you can write for me in the comment section. These women, they will help you how to dress. If you don't know how to wear them, or if you don't know how to wear them, they will help you. It's time to dress our little girl. This one is a Mukorino. That is why you see she has a white turban on the head. Isn't she looking gorgeous? Just see how beautiful she is in her African wear. Brown means beautiful soil, eh? Just see how beautiful the baby girl looks. Let me know if you love our African tradition dresses or our African wears. If you love them, Also, you can purchase them at this fall, the Thompson Falls. They have a place where they sell, or you can ask for Wamboi. I don't have the contact, but if you go there and ask for Wamboi who sells the African clothes, you will get her. Our girl is lady, she's ever serious, she never smiles or laughs unless she is with her age mate, but not with people bigger than her. Just as I said, everything has meaning, including the things that we are holding. They do have a significance in an African house. And I decided to drive a mini car because we believe in future we are going to have a true car and bigger than this one. So thank you for watching. We hope you loved our beautiful African waterfall. We didn't go down because we were afraid how we are going to come back, but you can always go down the waterfall. It's so enjoyable. So please let me know in the comment section what you think about the Thompson Fall. You can also write for me what you think about this video, and also we look forward to you organizing to visit that area. It's beautiful and very memorable. So see you next time in our next video.